How's it going, bruh? It's me, Hoacs, and today I am doing a video because yesterday I was watching McToon's stream because I was just trying to fucking see if he make any mistakes because he's a glober, bruh. But instead I came across a flat earther, bruh, making the biggest fucking mistake, bruh. Okay, now don't get me wrong, McToons does make a mistake, and I will get to that later, bruh. But my fucking god, bruh. Alright, this fucking guy, Iggy, he goes by Iggy. He does not understand the Pythagorean theorem, right? Now, you guys know I'm really good at the Pythagorean theorem, right? Because I actually showed up Dr. Bob, when he was doing the Pythagorean theorem on the flat earth. He assumed the lines of latitude would be straight, which they wouldn't, because it's a circle, flat earth, okay, bruh? So it would wrap around. So you can't effectively do Pythagorean theorem with the lines of latitude and longitude, right? But yeah, I'm an expert on Pythagorean theorem, and this guy is the furthest thing from an expert, bruh. Iggy, this motherfucker, bruh. Okay, so let me real fast show you a video to show you what the fuck we're dealing with.
Right there, right?
Yep.
So now if we're going to solve for C, right? Say, so we want to know the hypotenuse, right? You got one side, hypotenuse. So if we're going to solve for the hypotenuse, what do we need to do to get C all alone?
Well, he was saying you have to square root.
Yep.
A and B possibly as well.
Yep. So A squared plus B squared equals C. That's all in square root. There it is. So that we use some algebra to solve for C. Mark every inch. So we've got, on this one, we've got 3. Right? And then on this one, we've got 4. Right? And then this angle here. So I 3,
Ooh,
4.
metric pad.
Look good? So 3 squared plus 4 squared square root equals, and then we'll call this H. Does that look good?
Yes.
It's the same formula, right? So 3 squared is what? H square root of 25?
It's 5.
5 equals H. Oops. So this side should be 5 inches when I measure it, right?
Yes,
According to the Pythagorean theorem.
Will be.
It will be. All
right.
right.
It will be.
Yeah, right there. And we get that. It's hard to read. Right there. Put it at 0. We get it at 5. And that's 5. So
right.
So what is the issue with Pythagorean theorem?
Well, now if you do Dr. Park's way, if you do the 9 plus 16 without square rooting it, you're just squaring it like the original equation. You end up with a 25 as your H or C.
But that's not how Professor Parks is doing it.
No,
right? This is how he does it.
No, it is not.
No, it's not.
No.
How did he?
He will do 9 plus 16 equals then square root of that 25,
So
and that will give you 5 then.
Well, I don't know the inverse. I can't imagine. Like I said, I didn't see the video, but I would see Professor Parks doing this, doing that. So that's the other direction there, right?
Right, and then what does that equal? Is that 625?
No. You see, to get the squaring out of here, you have to take the square root of both sides. So that's how you solve for it, which is this one here.
Why wouldn't you just square it?
Why wouldn't I square this side or this side?
If we're talking about the first line being the without the square root.
Yeah, that's.
And it's in your first page. Your first page had the actual equation that is the only recognized legal equation.
Legal.
Yes, you must square everything.
Right there. Yeah, but then I did some algebra on it to solve for C. That's how I got this.
Right, but you still have to square C. You're not done with line 2 unless you square C.
Why?
Unless you're using Dr. Parks' square root.
So here's what I did. You've got C squared. In order to get C all alone, when I have C squared, which is right here, in order to get rid of the squaring, I need to take the root of C on this side.
Right.
And I need to take the root on this side. And that's how we wind up with this. So I solved for C.
Well, that's fine, but he was not saying that. But if you want to go ahead and do that, let's see what it comes out to.
That's it right there. That's what it comes out to.
Oh, I mean, not actual number-wise.
Actual number-wise is this. Right? 9 is 3 squared.
Right,
I'll write the previous one.
Right, but your H2 would then come out to 25 times 25, or are you taking it down to 5?
No. So I square the 3. I square 3, I get 9. I square 4, I get 16.
Right.
And I left H alone, H squared. Now, in order to get the square part out of here, I want H all alone. I need to move that to the other side somehow. I need to get it out of there. That's what I did here. I took the square root of both sides. That's algebra.
What says you need to?
The rules of algebra.
What does the equation dictate, though?
When you apply algebra,
that you must.
That's what I'm doing. I'm applying algebra.
No, that's not the equation. The equation is not to apply anything else. That's the reason for an equation. It is your entire recipe. So, what is that numeral?
What is what?
That numeral.
We don't know yet because we can't.
We do.
I mean, we can add these together, and we can see that 25 equals H squared.
No, 25 equals H. Now you must square 25.
No.
Right now, do you have the ability to measure 9 inches or 9 centimeters or 9 millimeters?
What? But that's
as well as 16 to see if you get 25?
But that's not the answer. We need to get h all alone. It's h squared. We have to get that squared out of there. How do we get that squared out of there?
It would be square root.
Yeah.
Only after you square it, though.
You said you were a mathematician.
You can't not square. You can't not square something when the equation dictates you must square it. Is that not true? Well, otherwise, the equation would equal just c and not c squared.
Ziggy, I don't think you quite have a grasp on the math that's going on here.
No, I have a perfect grasp on it. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you have 25. You will never measure 25 is the other problem.
We're not trying to measure the 25. That's because we're trying to measure the square root of 25.
It doesn't matter what you can do. It doesn't matter what you can do. I can change 3 and 4 to 2 and 5. I can do whatever I want.
But then
as far as the official equation goes, there's no difference in that. Don't give me that horse shit. You don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
This is complete fraud.
This is literally middle school algebra.
It is not.
Yeah,
the equation as it is written is the recipe. You must follow the recipe.
Yeah, I did.
You're not following the recipe.
I started here with a squared equals b plus b squared equals c squared, and then I solved for c, giving me the square root of a squared plus b squared. The square root of the whole thing equals c, then, right? So then I applied here.
No, it
right?
does not.
I've got. But this is all wrong.
So you're going to claim your answer is 5 then.
Of course
is
it
that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you measure 9 and 16 and end up at 5?
There it is. No, I don't measure 9 and 16 because the formula doesn't bring it out to 9 and 16. The formula brings it to 5, and so there we are. Pythagorean theorem confirmed, measuring 5 right there.
Wrong.
Bruh.
Okay. So now that I showed you the video, bruh, I think you fucking understand, bruh. Bro's like, not using his brain, bruh. Okay? Let me show you, bruh. Okay, bruh. So here's the thing, bruh, right? Here's my thing. So this is Pythagorean theorem, bruh, okay? A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, right? And we have side A, side B, and side C. I'm just going to real fast put the C in here, bruh. There we go. And we have side A equal to 3, side B equal to 4, and it goes without saying, bruh, because this is your typical Pythagorean theorem triangle, okay? Where C is equal to 5, okay, bruh? So check this out, bruh, okay? We have 3 squared plus 4 squared, right? Because that 3 is A, right? And 4 is B, right? So 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to C squared, right? What he's doing now is, well, yes, 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16. He's forgetting the square here, okay? He's just saying 9 plus 16 is equal to C, which isn't the case, bro, okay? That's not how that works. Okay, bro? So it should be this way, right? We put this down here. That's how it should be. But what he wants us to do, though, is to take 9 plus 16 to equal 25 squared, right? Which is 9 plus 16 is equal to 625. That does not equate, bro, okay? An equation is supposed to equal, okay? Both sides supposed to equal each other, okay, bro? So here it is again, okay? We could think of it as A times A plus B times B equals C times C, right? Because that's how powers work, okay? If it's a 3, you multiply the number 3 times, okay? It'd be A times A times A. Same thing for, B, and same thing for C, all right? So now it's actually 3 times 3 plus 4 times 4, all right? And we could also think of this, since we know C is 5, as 5 times 5, bruh, okay? The same thing. And we know that actually works too, because 3 times 3 is 9, right? Plus 4 times 4 is 16, so 9 plus 16 is 25, and 5 times 5 is equal to 25. That makes sense, bruh, okay? We go back. So here you go. Even if we don't do that, bro, we know 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. This is the same thing, right? 25 right here, see? You can think of it as 25 is equal to C times C, right? You can think of it that way, or you can think of it the other way, bro. All right? If we had C times C is equal to 25, right? That only number that makes sense is 5, bro. 5 times 5, all right, is equal to 25. So that makes sense, bruh, okay? Your shit doesn't, though, Iggy. Okay? This is what you're saying, Iggy. 25 is equal to C, right? So when we put in 25, it's 25 is equal to 25 times 25. 25 is equal to 625. It doesn't, bro. Okay, that's not how it works, bruh. Same thing here. 25 is equal to C squared. 25 is equal to 25 squared. No, it isn't. 25 is equal to 625. No, it doesn't, bro, okay? It's fucking obvious, bruh. Okay? What you're supposed to do is when you have a square, right, you're supposed to square root it to get rid of it, bruh. Okay? This is fucking square's natural enemy, the fucking square root, okay? And it's because it's an equation, you do it to both sides, because otherwise it's not equal, alright? If I bite, okay, my donut, let's say I have a donut, alright, and you have 2 halves of a donut, alright? That's still a donut. That's still one whole donut. If I take a bite out of my donut, you have to take the same size bite out of your donut, all right, for it to be equal. All right. If I put 5 sprinkles in my donut, you have to put 5 sprinkles in your donut. All right, because then it's equal, bruh. Okay. If I put my donut in a fucking clone machine, all right, and I get fucking 5 donuts, all right, that's times it by 5, all right, or technically times 6 because I have the original donut and you have 5. Point is, all right, you would have to clone your donut and get 5 donuts out of that as well, okay, bruh? Anyway, this is what you get, all right. You get C for when you get square root of C squared. Okay, you get C, and when you get the square root of 25, it's 5, bruh. Okay, all right, you're making us look bad, bruh. Okay. It's like, it's simple. It really is what McToon said, all right? It really is just simple, you know, middle school fucking algebra, bruh. Algebra. All right? Fucking, it's algebra. Anyway, bruh. Okay? Learn your algebra, bruh. There you go, bruh. I don't know what to tell you, bruh. All right? It's literally the fact that McToons gets the right answer, bruh, and you don't, all right? I could literally go back to the video, bruh. All right? You give us, bruh. All right? This is your fucking answer, bruh. You give us...
In this video, I'm going to show you
God,
how I
fucking ad, bruh!
$1
I did
The fact that you give us 28,561, bruh, shows that you're doing the math wrong, bruh. All right? That does not equal, okay, what is it? 25 plus 144, okay? That does not equal that. That's not an equation, bruh. All right? 25 plus 144 is equal to 169, all right? Which means C squared, all right, has to be 13 because 13 squared, okay, is 169, bruh. All right, 169 does not equal to 28,561, bruh. All right, you just played yourself, bruh. Okay, oh my God, bruh. All right, this is turning into a fucking rant video. All right, let me just fucking find the part where he gets fucked up. I mean, the part where McToons fucks up is what I meant to say. All right.
Set act. Your.
All right, don't worry, McToons. All right, I'm coming on you. I'm coming on your ass, bruh. All right, I'm coming for your ass. All right. Where the fuck is it? Okay, bros, I fucking finally found it. It took me fucking... I didn't even realize it was early in the video, so that's kind of on me, bro. But look at this shit, bro, alright? Look at this shit, bro. Alright, McToons, alright? Get back to fucking doing your math, bro, alright? Because you made yourself look like a little dookie head, right, bro? Let me show you right now what he does.
Does not make you correct.
Excuse me, bro.
Now, if I take the square root of h squared...
That's fine, bro.
Right, what is h squared first, though?
Well, the answer is...
What is
h.
25 times 25? Wrong.
No, bro, you fucking dumb fuck.
How's that wrong?
Wrong. You have to first square
You're
h
dumb
as a
too,
number.
bro, alright? But McToons, he's like a minuscule amount of dumb. It's more so ignorant because he forgot how to do his math, you know what I'm saying, bro?
In fact, instead, h to the power of 0.5.
See what he did there, bro? Okay, so this right here, he multiplied the powers. You don't do that, bro. You only multiply the powers, bro, if, okay, you got fucking parentheses. So let's say it's h squared, okay, parentheses, and on the outside of the parentheses, you got 0.5. Then you multiply them, bro, okay? But here, though, you add them, bro, all right? It would be 2.5, bro, all right? And proof of this, quite simple, actually, okay? You do, let's use 100, for example, right? We have 100 squared. 100 times 100 is 10,000. We have 100 square rooted, right? Because 0.5 is the same thing as square root, all right? That would be 10, right? So then you take your 10,000 times 10, and that's 100,000, bro. So 100 to, okay, check this out, bro. 2.5. 100,000, bro. See, there you go. All right? So that's proof that you actually add them, bro. So, yeah, you made that little small mistake, McToons. Don't do it again, bro, because you will be fucking shunned for it, bro. All right? I saw the comment section, okay? But, that's all I got, bros. All right? I just wanted to point this motherfucker out because, bruh, you're making us flat earthers look bad, bro. Okay? You can't be doing that. All right? I'm supposed to be debunking fucking Globers on this channel, all right? And the last 2 videos, or this video and the last video, has been debunking flat earthers, bruh. Okay? Don't make me fucking do this shit, bruh. Alright? I don't want to do this shit, bruh. Okay? Anyway. If you like my video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And if you didn't, you're probably a Glober, alright? Anyway, I'll see you guys. Bye-bye. Oh, shit.